The Agri-Fab 45-0288 tow-behind spreader holds a generous amount of material, so you can cover a large yard in a single pass without constant refilling. Its drop spreader design lays seed, fertilizer, or ice melt directly beneath the hopper, giving much more precise coverage than a typical broadcast spreader, especially along edges and flower beds. The rust-resistant polyhopper and non-corroding components stand up well to fertilizer and winter salt, making this a long-term tool rather than a one-season purchase. A wide working width paired with coverage suitable for roughly 1 acre means it is well matched to lawn and garden tractors on medium to large properties. The sturdy steel frame, galvanized agitator, and pneumatic tires give the spreader a solid, stable feel in use and help it roll smoothly over uneven ground. Assembly is straightforward for a tow implement, and once it is dialed in, the flow control is easy to reach from the tractor seat, so you can start and stop material without leaving the mower.